Lovely home time. What's up, road dogs? Man, am I happy right now. It's been a long 4 weeks. My first little stint here in Melton. Everything's gone, pretty good so far. I've been paid well, and they kept me running. So everything been good. I am about to take my home time. It's Christmas time, so everybody getting home for the holidays. I'm here in Massery, Ohio, and about to take my truck to the terminal, spend the night there, and my wife is going to come pick me up in the morning. I had a little small issue at first, in a earlier video. If you want to watch that video, you can just watch that one. This is my exit right here. So yeah, I'm gonna be dropping this, or just leaving my truck here at the terminal, and going home for the holidays, man. Get some collard greens, macaroni and cheese, and I'm making all this. My wife's gonna make me some collard greens, but I'm gonna make some mac and cheese, and we're gonna have a ham, and the boys are gonna open up their gifts. I done spent $145 so far. I might spend a couple more hundred, but not gonna go too crazy this holiday. Not gonna go too crazy. Alright, I've never been to this daggum terminal. Never been to this terminal before. So, I'm trying to make sure I do this all right. Make sure we get there. Turn the high beams on so I can see a little bit better. Yeah, guys, man, having home time, pretty freaking important. Because you work so hard throughout, a couple weeks. Normally you stay out, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I normally stay out about 3 weeks. And home time, it's like a revival. You just, you revive yourself so that you can deal with another 3 weeks out on the road. But about that video, I go back and watch that video, guys. Give me some views. But I had an issue or whatever. And you know what? It actually turned out pretty good for me, because it is Friday night. Here's the terminal. It is Friday night, and I'm going to be home tomorrow sometime tomorrow, which means I'm going to get extra days at home this Christmas. I wasn't supposed to be home until Monday, but I'm going to be home a lot earlier than that, which is a good thing. Now, I completely forgot where my hole was. completely lost my hold. Turn my flashers on so I can back this thing up. You know, one thing I dislike about these trucks, even though they're beautiful trucks, don't get me wrong. One thing that I do hate about these trucks and are very annoying is the beeping sound. So I can remember when I didn't have no people on my truck or whatever. And I be laying in the bunk doing what bunk layers do, you know. And here comes the daggum truck with that damn fucking beeping sound, man. Excuse me for the language. But it would just get on my nerves. Yeah, man, that beeping gets on my nerves. But, hey guys, we're here at the Missouri terminal in Ohio, dropping this truck, and my wife will be here to pick me up tomorrow. I can't wait. Alright guys, when I'm not driving trucks, you can call me the big trucker chef. You know what I'm saying? Got the greens, I got the cheese sauce for the chicken spaghetti. I got a little small ham in here, you know what I mean? Oh man. Happy holidays, everybody. From my family to yours. To all those truckers who didn't make it home for Christmas, hope you're having a very happy Christmas and be safe.